Hi everyone. Today, we'll walk through the steps to spin up an Ubuntu server and convert it into your own VPN server. So, let's dive right in. First, spin up an Ubuntu server. For this demonstration, I'm using DigitalOcean. Begin by creating a project. Assign it a name and a description that suits your purpose. Once the project is ready, click on Create, and then select Droplet to create your virtual server. Choose a data center region of your choice. Next, pick the Linux distribution you want to use. Here, I'm selecting Ubuntu. Since this is a test setup, I'm going for a low-cost configuration. For authentication, it's best to use SSH keys, but for simplicity in this demo, I'm selecting the password option as I'll delete the droplet after this tutorial. Now, click Create Droplet to start building your new Ubuntu server. Once the process is complete, note down the server's public IP address and SSH into the server to proceed with the setup. Once connected to the server, the first step is to update the system packages. Run the following command. Next, install OpenVPN and Easy-RSA with this command. Now, let's set up the Certificate Authority or CA. Start by initializing Easy-RSA and updating the VARs file with the required information, such as your organization name and country code. Once done, build the CA. It will prompt you to set a password. Make sure to remember it. With the CA ready, generate the server certificate, keys, Diffie-Hellman parameters, and HMAC signature. These are essential for securing the VPN. After generating these files, copy them to the OpenVPN directory. Now, set up the server configuration file. Adjust the settings as needed, and ensure everything matches the certificates and keys you've created. Before starting the VPN service, enable IP forwarding on the server. This allows the VPN to route traffic to the internet. Finally, start and enable the OpenVPN service. Next, generate the client certificate and key. Move these files into a new directory called Client inside the OpenVPN directory. Create a client configuration file with the .ofn extension. You can use a provided template and update it with the relevant details. Save this file as client1.ofn. On your computer, download and install the OpenVPN client from the OpenVPN community website. Once installed, copy the client1.often file into the OpenVPN configuration directory on your system. Launch the OpenVPN GUI as an administrator and click Connect. The client will automatically use the client1.often file for the connection. After connecting, verify that your public IP and location have changed, confirming the VPN is working correctly. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning VPN server. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.